Team Niska, the world leader in card printer technology, presents Basic Printer Maintenance for the PR53XX series printer. The PR53XX series of printers includes the PR5300, the PR5310, the PR5350, and the PR53LE. The setup and basic cleaning is identical for all four models. Printer and accessories. Once you've removed your printer and its accessories from the box, you should have the exact contents displayed here. Please be sure to keep your printer's shipping box and inserts for future transporting. Included in the box will be a driver and support CD, which contains the print driver, manuals, firmware, and the firmware installation utility. A quick installation guide, which will document unpacking the unit, loading the ribbon, and driver installation. A user manual, which will document the details of operating and adjusting the printer. An empty ribbon bobbin, a USB 2.0 cable, a power cord, a card weight, and one free ink ribbon. If an item is missing, please contact your reseller. Unpacking. Your printer is shipped with packing tape to ensure its safe arrival. Please remove this tape from the left side, the front, the top, and the right side of the printer. Also, please read the caution label affixed to the main cover. Additional tape must be removed on the right side of the printer. A protective clear layer of polyester is affixed over the LCD panel. This can stay affixed or can be removed. Now, open the ribbon cover door and remove the ribbon cassette. The cassette has bubble wrap attached to protect the print head during shipment. Please remove this before loading the ribbon. Ribbon loading. Your new printer can use a variety of ribbon configurations. Please be sure to discuss your options with your reseller. The printer will be shipped with one free ribbon. It is highly recommended that only Niska genuine ribbons be used with the printers. They are clearly marked with a Team Niska genuine product hologram. To install your ribbon, place your ribbon on the far right side of the ribbon cassette and then the empty bobbin to the left. Next, tape the supply side or full ribbon to the empty ribbon bobbin, as shown. Once the supply side is taped to the empty ribbon bobbin, please wind the ribbon to secure the alignment on the bobbin. Then close the cassette and lock it by sliding the white tab to the close position. Insert the ribbon cassette in the printer and lock it in place. Note that the door will not close if the lock is not engaged. Please remember that to change your ribbon, the printer must be powered on, and you must press the ribbon change button to release the ribbon cassette. If you try to remove the ribbon cassette and it does not come out, please close the door, press the clear key, and then press the ribbon change button. Attaching a laminator. The Niska PR5302 laminator offers protective and secure lamination options for your card print requirements. If you own a PR5300, PR5310, or PR5350, a PR5302 laminator can be purchased and installed at any time. Inside your laminator's box, you will find a user manual, a power cord, and an empty laminate ribbon bobbin. Unpacking. The laminator has protective bubble wrap inside the unit to protect the heat roller. Please remove this and the other external packing tape. Connection. Now it's time to connect the laminator to the printer. This is easily done without any tools by lifting the laminator and inserting the connection brackets into the printer as shown. Loading. To load your laminator, please open the heat roller access door on the side of the printer by pressing down on the door switch. Then open the front cover door. The laminator's ribbon is loaded by taping the supply side to the empty ribbon bobbin and winding to assure proper alignment. Then insert the ribbon into the laminator as shown, with the supply side on the top and the bobbin's gear teeth to the rear. Slide the bobbins onto the spindles and press until the bobbins snap into place. Then close the doors. Power. The laminator connects to the printer with an RS422 cable that is plugged into the printer's option port. After that connection is made, the power cables and USB cable can be attached to the printer and laminator. Please be sure to never plug or unplug the laminator's RS422 cable from the printer while the printer is powered on. Card loading. Your new printer is set up to accept the default 30 mm card thickness. If your cards are not 30 mm, please see the user manual for details on adjusting the feed gate. Place your cards on the feed area, but be sure not to push them into the printer. Then place the card weight on the cards. Close the dust cover and you're ready to print. Please follow the driver installation instructions to complete your setup. Remember to load the driver software first and only connect your printer when instructed by the driver. Cleaning. Your printer will require some basic cleaning on a periodic basis. NISCA recommends that you run a cleaning card through the printer every time you change the ribbon. Your NISCA printer has an automatic cleaning function that can be executed through the user mode. The user mode can be accessed by pressing and holding down the menu ribbon change button for 5 seconds. Press the Execute or EXE button to enter the user mode. Press the menu ribbon change button until you see Printer Cleaning. Then press the EXE button. Remove the normal cards. Press the EXE button to acknowledge that the normal cards are removed. Then insert the NISCA low-tack sticky card by sliding it into the printer's feed gate until it stops. Then press the EXE button to start the cleaning process. Once the cleaning card has run through the printer and laminator, it will be ejected. Turn the card over and insert it again to clean the other side of the printer and laminator. Once finished, press the menu button and the EXE button to return to normal mode. Input rollers. Your NISCA printer has an advanced card cleaning mechanism we call Input Roller. This roller is good for 20,000 cards as long as periodic cleaning is performed. The input roller is replaceable and should be replaced at 20,000 cards or 2 years. Proper maintenance of your NISCA ID card printer will provide years of productive service and maintain high-quality printing. Visit our website at www.teamnisca.com for more information on our full line of world-class ID card printers and accessories.